gold creasing dripping off my body. Keep it flowing, haters throw it in the bottle. Better yet, quench your thirst. I give you a Long Island. What I got right here, but I hold in possession. To the end of the game, I'm always the winner. Check my name, right? Check my grind, check the alarm. 100% it's all mine. Flowing right, one of the kind, one of the kind. Keep it flowing. Right. This is a beautiful filter. Yo, I wasn't even recording. That's funny as hell. Anyways, I made it to the car and I got my phone out. I don't know if I should play Pandora or if I should turn on the radio. But I'm about to put some music because I'm about to go. I'm out the house now. It's so fucking cute. I got my outfit on. It's so beautiful. I gotta wait until I see somebody to fasten up the back because I can't reach the back. I'm only one person. I'm get it done. Whoever I see, hopefully they're kind enough to just already initially keep it out and then do it. But I'm gonna ask somebody to fasten it up, and then I'm gonna look cute. And I got a black laundry top on with some black slacks, and I got shirt. I'm just gonna go. I'm about to get my nieces and nephews. They're the only ones that want to have fun. I want to have fun today. I'm gonna go big every other night we're gonna get made. Get on your knees and eat this right before I have another do it for me. Don't run me, I run. Yeah, use up.
Tryna shatter me with lies, I ain't with that. Tell the truth. Big fat.
What's up, Inglewood?
I'm just tryna ball in it. I'm calling dealers.
California.
I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on
Elijah.
and I'm out here grinding still. I need effort in the same.
Mama. Hi, guys.
Oh, this is state ass.
Skate?
Hey, don't try to see that. You are so nasty.
That's what they call me. We officially arrived to the boardwalk. Down the street. In the street. What's that? Oh, this is Showboat. But yeah, this is where like your party's gonna be at. Like
No,
right
no,
in
it's not.
Yeah, huh?
Oh, this is Showboat. Oh.
It is a nice little scenery here.
Oh yeah, so when we come out of Showboat, we're gonna come out here on the boardwalk and we're gonna walk down to the remember to that
Walk down where?
to where the steel pier. Remember we got those drinks from that girl in the
Oh,
bucket?
okay. That's we're at the Ferris wheel, as you can see, the carnival. Yeah. With little Elijah and Day. He done made everybody spend all their little money. Everybody just brought him stuff. So now I'm trying to get on the swings, the rides. I like the way how this filter got my eyelashes.
So nice. Look at the man.
Mom, look.
I know the caricature. Actually, we're gonna do this next time.
Where my money at? School adventure party. We're on a Ferris wheel, you guys. My mama Duke, she came out with us. Say hi, mommy. Hello. Peace. 2 chains. And she literally got 2 chains on. And then we got the, where the other kiddo?
Who's moving it?
He's moving around.
But you didn't have to cut me off. Make it like it wasn't happening. We were not there.
We're on the ride right now. Leah keep questioning me. Like I'm not nervous right now. We about to go up in the air.
We used to always do this, Ashley. Let's do it. Go. Slap my hand.
I don't know how high we about to go, but don't go too fast.
Ashley, hold on. And don't pee in your own.
She told me not to hold on. I might pee a little bit.
Like they did on the road.
Yeah, this is gonna be like girls trip. I'm Jada Pinkett and what was her name? Yeah, we're up in the air now. Oh my god. Okay.
I really needed this, yeah. Like be a little kid again.
Okay, we in the air. I'm in the air.
Open up some more. What I gotta say?
Well, yesterday we was only up in the air for like 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why you gotta get on it. Yay!
We're going up 2 times. Maybe she did that because the helicopter.
No.
When the helicopter flies, we're so close to it, they probably have to shut it down because like the wind from the helicopter can blow us off these swings.
Okay, that's a good theory. Yeah, that's a problem.
Not to scare anybody, not to scare nobody. But we up in the air again.
Actually, you record. I'm headed.
We're going on you next. That's so close. Okay, it's not that bad if you just chill. I'm not kicking my feet. Ooh, oh my god, I felt that in my stomach. That's what's up. The city is really lit tonight. Cause usually I can't find no damn light. Now I'm just like getting blinded. This camera is washing me out a little bit. See what's up, Leah Mariah. Countdown to her birthday. 3 times for the birthday girl. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I remember. I think I kind of have to remember your birthday. You're my sister.
What? Remember my birthday?
Is it wrong if you don't know your sister's birthday?
Actually, do you have the tickets?
Yeah.
Do you have the arcade card?
Mm-hmm.
I was out there. Wait, so I was in the house.
It don't sound like you was watching him.
This is the thing. So I was in the house.
You okay, Elijah?
He scraped his nose.
You alright?
Look, see that scrape? That's where the blood was coming.
Let me see your tooth. Smile. Yes.
I guess on Monday.
I love that dress. Look at my sister.
Yes, because
She's
it's
cute.
time to
She's
be with
cute.
him. You haven't been in his house in a while. It's okay.
Leah, say. Whose birthday is it?
Whose house?
Whose birthday is it?
Ew. His birthday is it?
How old you turning?
We'll see.
Who's about to act up?
I'll let you know.
Can I have like a snack?
Yeah.
Whose birthday is it? Who about to go shake some ass? Who about to get lady? Me. Cause what I just heard in my head right now. Who fucking cares? You a beast. You a bomb.com. You drippy. You legit. You thorough. You my bitch. You my boo.
Ha ha ha.
Ashley was out on this track.
Lurk, lurk, they be lurking like they wanna blow me kisses. Asking no.